Good afternoon, dear learners. Myself, Yogesh Kanade, lecturer at Dhule Charitable Societies, Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. In our today's lecture, we are going to see the second part of anti-malarial drugs. In the previous part, we have covered sign and symptoms of malaria, causative agent, sign and symptoms, life cycle of malarial parasite, and classification of drugs used in treatment of malaria. Now in this lecture we will see the various drugs which has been used in the treatment of malaria. First one, that is quinine. Quinine is a drug which is obtained from cinchona bark. It is an alkaloid. Properties: it is white needle-like crystals or crystalline powder. It is freely soluble in mixture of 2 volumes of chloroform and 1 volume of ethanol, sparingly soluble in boiling water and in ethanol, slightly soluble in water, very slightly soluble in chloroform, practically insoluble in ether. Stability storage: it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of malaria, and it is also used for relief of nocturnal muscle cramps. Now what do you mean by nocturnal muscle cramps? Nocturnal muscle cramps means contraction of muscles which have a pain, which is going to be painful, and this takes place at night, that we call as nocturnal muscle cramps. It is also used in combination with urethane as a sclerosing agent. Official preparation: quinine tablet IPBP, quinine injection IPBP. Brand names: Vigotap, Myoquine, Biquine. Then the next drug, that is chloroquine. If you see chloroquine, if you see the structure of chloroquine, you will see that the basic heterocyclic ring that is present, that is your quinoline. See, two 6-membered unsaturated ring has been fused with each other, and nitrogen heteroatom is present at first position. This is the structure of your quinoline, and as per classification it is 4 amino quinolines. See, at the para position or 4th position amino group is present, therefore it is known as 4 amino quinolines. Now if you see the structure properly, you will see that at 7th position chloro group is present. At 4th position the substitute group which is present, it is a complicated substitute group, therefore we have given the numbering again 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you see the 4th position, at 4th position diethyl amino group is present. At first position ethyl group is present, and the remaining structure is of butyl amino. 4 carbon atoms, therefore butyl. 4th position amino, therefore it is butyl amino. Now see the chemical name. 7th position the 4, that is the main 4. Again sub 4 position का है dimethyl amino. First position methyl group, therefore 1 methyl, and the remaining, that is butyl amino, and the basic structure of your quinoline. It is the important structure for your annual examination. If you see the properties of chloroquine, chloroquine occurs as white crystalline powder, odorless, freely soluble in water, very slightly soluble in chloroform, in ethanol and in ether. Uses: it is used to suppress and cure malaria, in treatment of amoebic hepatitis, and to treat giardiasis. Giardiasis, it is also a parasitic disease caused by Giardia lamblia. Giardia lamblia, it is name of one of the protozoa which causes this disease in human beings, known as giardiasis. Stability storage, it slowly gets discolored on exposure to light, hence stored in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: chloroquine tablet, chloroquine injection, official in your IP and BP, chloroquine syrup, official in your IP. Brand names: Nivaquine and Ciplaquine are the trade names or brand names. Then the next drug, that is Amodiaquine. Amodiaquine occurs as yellow crystalline powder, odorless, soluble in water, sparingly soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether. Uses in treatment of malaria, amoebic hepatitis, giardiasis, etc. Stability storage: affected by light, therefore store in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: Amodiaquine tablet, IPBP. Trade names: Camoquine, Flavoquine, etc. Then the next drug, that is pyrimethamine. If you see the structure of pyrimethamine, you will see that the basic heterocyclic ring present, that is pyrimidine. See, this is the structure of your pyrimidine. 6-membered unsaturated ring and 2 nitrogen heteroatoms are present at first and third position, that we called as the structure of pyrimidine. Now as per the rules, give the numbering. After numbering, you will see that at second and fourth position 2 amino groups are present. At fifth position para-chlorophenyl is present, and at sixth position ethyl group is present. The substitute groups which are present, that is at second position amino group, fourth position amino group, fifth position para means fourth position, therefore 4-chlorophenyl, and at sixth position ethyl group is present. Now give the chemical name in alphabetical order. First 2 for diamino, then 5, that is the common. At fifth position para-chlorophenyl, sixth position 6-ethyl. At the last, write down the name of the basic structure, that is your pyrimidine. If you see the properties, it occurs as colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless. It is slightly soluble in chloroform and in ethanol, very slightly soluble in ether, practically insoluble in water. Uses for prophylaxis and treatment of malaria, in treatment of toxoplasmosis in combination with sulfadiazine. Sulfadiazine is a drug belonging to the class of sulfonamides. Stability storage: affected by light, therefore store in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: pyrimethamine tablet, IPBP, pyrimethamine and sulfadiazine tablet, which is official in your IP. Trade name: Pyrlafine, Deraprime. Only 2 are your trade names. Then trimethoprim. Trimethoprim occurs as white or yellowish white powder, odorless. It is sparingly soluble in chloroform, slightly soluble in ethanol, very slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ether. Uses same in treatment of malaria, and it is also used as an antibacterial agent along with or in combination with sulfamethoxazole. Sulfamethoxazole is also a drug belonging to the class of sulfonamides, that we are going to see in the later chapter, sulfonamides. Stability storage affected by light, therefore store in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: trimethoprim tablet IP, cotrimaxazole tablet BP, cotrimaxazole injection BP. Now cotrimaxazole, it is a combination of trimethoprim plus sulfamethoxazole, a combination of drug, that is trimethoprim plus sulfamethoxazole. We call it as a cotrimaxazole, and it is used as an antibacterial agent. Brand name: Bactrim, Otrim, Trimal. Then Progonil, this is the last drug. It is white crystalline powder, odorless. It is soluble in ethanol, slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether. Stability storage and uses same as under chloroquine. Official preparation: Progonil tablet IPBP. Trade name: Paloridine is a trade name of your Progonil. In today's lecture, we have completed quinine, chloroquine, amidoquine, pyrimethamine, Progonil, primaquine and trimethoprim. From this chapter, importance are definition and classification of antimalarial drugs, and two drugs are important. One is chloroquine and second one, that is your pyrimethamine. Thank you.